Hi kids, in this video we are going to learn about animal species starting with A. Let's start. Antelope, antelope, albatross, albatross, angelfish, angelfish, amur leopard, amur leopard, alligator, alligator, alpaca, alpaca, aardvark, aardvark, anchovy, anchovy, American robin, American robin, Arctic fox, Arctic fox, arowana, arowana, American bison, American bison, Atlantic puffin, Atlantic puffin, orchard fish, orchard fish, aardwolf, aardwolf, Australian magpie, Australian magpie, arapaima, arapaima, avocet, avocet, Arctic hare, Arctic hare, Arabian oryx, Arabian oryx, American black bear, American black bear, Australian king parrot, Australian king parrot, African elephant, African elephant, American tree sparrow, American tree sparrow, anemone, Arabian horse, Arabian horse, Arctic warbler, Arctic warbler, Australian shepherd, Australian shepherd, Anna's hummingbird, Anna's hummingbird, anaconda, anaconda, Abyssinian cat, Abyssinian cat, ape, ape, Asian flycatcher, Asian flycatcher, Asian carp, Asian carp, axolotl, axolotl, azure winged magpie, azure winged magpie, anglerfish, anglerfish, African grey parrot, African grey parrot, oudad, oudad, armadillo, armadillo, Amazon milk frog, Amazon milk frog, African penguin, African penguin, Atlantic salmon, Atlantic salmon. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Thank you.